Hello and welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. Today I wanted to do a very short haul with you. I had purchased the Daily Duo. Actually, I purchased it a while back, but I wanted it for 2021. And so I wanted to go ahead and show you what I had purchased. The first thing that I had bought is these stickers. I thought that would help me out with planning. So I'm excited. This is the first time I've purchased any of the stickers from Erin Condren. I have bought a lot of stuff, and it's funny that my son the other day said if I was on a direct dial with Erin Condren, they would have me as #1 because I do buy a lot of stuff from Erin Condren, and I always use my coupon codes or when things are on sale. Most of the time, I do not buy things at full price. So anyway, this was, I'm really happy with this. It's pretty substantial. And I like the fact that when you put it into your notebook, it has a little tab over here. So that's really nice. These are great for planning. Now, my Daily Duo, I chose the book where you could write your own words. And I was thinking about 2021 and how my words, how I wanted my words to reflect the kind of year I wanted. So this is what I came up with. I came up with hopeful, joyful, blessed, loved, faithful, and committed. So that is, and I'm really, really pleased, you know, the pink is a really pretty pink, and I chose to have the lettering is graduated. So I really like that a lot. Oh, I love this inside. See, I haven't really looked at it. This is really pretty. I mean, I know I've had all of my Erin Condren planners have this, but it's so pretty in the pink. All right, so of course we have the vellum paper at the front, and then here we have January to June 2021, and then the other one will be July to December. Here we have places where we can make notes. What I'd probably do in this section is I will probably write my favorite quotes in here. Then here is some 6-month planning, an area where you can do a little bit of planning or maybe set your goals here. And then a calendar for 2022. And then here we go. Sorry. Okay, it's just like, I love it. I love, it goes from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m., which is great. Usually my work day is from 8 to 3:30, so that's really nice. And then it gives you a to-do list and an area where you can add more information here. You can sticker right here. You can put stickers up here. Here's an area, or Saturdays and Sundays are not listed like the weekdays, but even still, this is nice. You could put your, say, shopping list or your grocery list or errands that you've got to run. And then here in this section, you have notes, inspiration, and reflection. Oh, I love it. You know, I had tried to do hourly planners and they just didn't work for me because there just wasn't enough room to write things. I like the fact that you can do the to-dos. So anyway, here we go. That's January. And here's February. Do with all your heart. That's really pretty. It's so pretty. I love the paper with Erin Condren. Okay, and then March is Change Your Thoughts and Change the World. And that's like a minty green. And then April is a real vibrant purple. Create Your Own Sunshine. Let's see. May is Good Things Are Coming, Keep Believing. That's more of a peachy tone. And June is The Way You Speak to Yourself Matters. And this is my birthday month. And this is a real pretty green. It's almost like an aqua mixed in with green. And then at the end of the book, you have some pages where you can take notes. And then it says a strong foundation is built on infinite layers. And then here in the back of the book, we have stickers. And I don't know if you remember in my one of my other Plan With Me's, I mentioned I totally forget that these stickers are back here. And then we have this nice heavy pocket folder. And then we have another Plan for Tomorrow, Celebrate Today. This is a perpetual calendar. I might just give this away as a gift. And then the back I could use as a dashboard. And there's that. And then, of course, it does come with the ruler or bookmark, whatever, however you want to use it. And then the second one, just has this plain cover. Oh, this is pretty inside too. That's very pretty. Of course, you've got your vellum paper, which is also decorated so pretty. And then where you could put your name. And again, you can write your goals for each month, important dates happening each month. It's whatever you want it to be. That's for you. And of course, to take notes here. And then July is a real pretty blue, and it says progress is impossible without change. And let's go through. August is be brave, do good, stay you. And that's really pretty, like golden yellow and a little bit of amber in it. Okay, September is that pretty vibrant purple. What you are what you manifest. That's really good. And then orange. Oh, look at how pretty these oranges are. This almost, I've never been to Sedona, but these colors in here reminds me of Sedona. Invest in people who invest in you. You know, that's a lesson that I've learned this past year, especially with COVID. You really learn, and this isn't to be negative, but I think it's a positive thing. You really learn who's close to you and who isn't. And, you know, it's as you get older, you start realizing that your circle of friends gets smaller and smaller. And those are the people that you trust and you love and that you would do anything for, because you know that they would do that in return for you. So that's pretty. November is Your Time Will Come. And that's like a lighter blue. Very pretty. And then December is Embrace What's Next. And this is the peridot color. Very, very pretty. I'm very pleased with this. And then, of course, we've got the stickers back here. So we have the stickers back here to match. Very nice. We have our little pocket folder back here. And then we've got another laminated dashboard so that you could write back here. So that's the haul for my daily duo. And I also wanted to show you that I buy the notebooks, and this is why my kids said that Erin Condren must have me on direct dial. But anyway, so I just started buying the notebooks this past year. And what I do with these notebooks, I love these. I love the thickness of them. I love of course, the paper for Erin Condren I mentioned before. I love the paper thickness, and I don't know. I just love these. Anyway, I started doing Bible study, and I do my Bible study with a version, an app online, and it's called YouVersion, and I love it. Anyway, So I decided that I was going to purchase a notebook specifically for my Bible study, because what I want to do is I want to keep them as if they're books in a library, and I want my children to be able to go back through these and read my Bible study as well as my notes and my thoughts. And I hope that they treasure these as much as I do. So this is the first one. I had gotten the watercolor with the world, which this is such a pretty cover. Honestly, I wasn't really sure about it, but when I got it, I just absolutely loved it. And I put here Bible study and my name. And then inside here, I wrote my favorite verses. First one is Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make straight your paths. And then Philippians 4:13, I can do all this through him who strengthens me. And then second book of Corinthians 5:7, for we walk by faith, not by sight. And then in here I had some little bit of notes for myself. But this was some jewelry I wanted to buy, but it's too expensive. I can't buy it. So then I started explaining to my children that this is a continuation of other Bible study that I had done, and for them to know where I received the readings and then the prayers. So here, what I do is I put the readings here, and then I take notes here, and then I end with the prayer. And sometimes, and I decorate it sometimes I don't decorate it. But here's what I did. Now this section right here, this was like an aha moment. And so as you can see, I went crazy writing. I mean, it was, I think 4 pages long, 5 pages long. But anyway, so that's what I do. And I am almost at the end of my notebook. This probably will finish by the end of the year. And I've had this, now lately, I've skipped a couple of days here and there, but when I first started, I was religiously writing. Anyway, I started on July 12th. So this lasts, if you do it every day, it may last you through the year. But anyway, and here's another thing. I had no clue there was stickers back here. No clue. Because I was just so interested in getting started in my writings. So anyway, so this is the book. I got the lined. You can get lined with a to-do list, and I think you can get the dot grid. But I just, because it's for journaling, I did do the Bible journaling. I did do the lined book. And then this says, arriving at one goal is the start of another. And you get 1 sheet of stickers. And then, of course, back here, your dashboard. And that's the back of it. So, since I'm almost done, and because of Black Friday, I wanted to catch the sale, and everything was 30% off on their site. So I went ahead and I bought 2 more notebooks to prep me for going forward. So the 2 that I chose, and you know, I'm kind of disappointed with Erin Condren in the sense that when you buy notebooks, they don't give you all that fluff. They don't give you the stickers. They don't give you the coupon code. I don't know. I guess it's because you're not spending as much. These notebooks, some of them, I think they run about $16. These notebooks I got, I believe it was for $11. Anyway, so this is the next one that I got. It's Bible Study 2, and I put my name on it. And this is just, on the site, these colors don't look as vibrant, but this is, can you see how pretty those colors are? I mean, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So anyway, it's the same thing. Oh, this is so pretty. So you have your dashboard here where you can write, and it doesn't have the vellum paper on the front. Oh, and this you can tear these out. I didn't notice that on my last book. Let me see if my last book does that. Oh yeah, gosh, look at that. I've been writing for almost half a year and I didn't even notice. Anyway, so you could tear these out, and it's just, lined paper. And of course, now I know we have stickers. These are really nice for appointments. So I might tear this out and just add it to my collection of stickers so I can use it when I do Plan With Me's. And then here's the back and the back cover. So I bought one, it's Bible Study 2. And then for my Bible Study 3, pink, okay? That's all I can say is pink. Anyway, so I chose this cover, and it says, she designed a life she loved. This says Bible Study 3 in my name. And then look in here how pretty all of this pink is. And again, it's the same stuff, all the lined paper. And then the stickers, same colored stickers, and then the backing. So I do have extra covers. Say I don't want to use this for my Bible study. I do have extra covers that I've purchased, or I switch out with my binders. So I could do that. So here are my 3 Bible study books. And I absolutely love them. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.